LongJoin mainly provides photoelectric sensors with NEMA interface and Zhaga regulations. Those are intended for street area lighting purpose to control the lamp fixtures on, dim, off in accordance with ambient lighting level as well as motion detected, including high IP rating receptacles used for fixture assembling. All control nodes were designed based on a light sensing feature, although smart IoT nodes can be remote controlled with those advanced lighting management system. LongJoin also developed a smart IoT lighting management system, UM9900, based on browser, server structure, and app software to provide convenient IoT installation, management, maintenance features with Zigbee, LTE, NB IoT protocols built-in photo control devices.